Hi and welcome to our next trigonometry video and our last video for the trigonometry series. In this video we continue talking similar triangles. Remember, triangles which have all three angles the same are called similar triangles. Here are some examples of similar triangles. This is an equilateral triangle that's similar. You'll notice one's just enlargement of the other. In fact, all similar triangles are just enlargements or reductions of the other. In this similar triangle, you'll notice that it's been reflected or flipped over a mirror line. In this similar triangle, you'll notice that one has been rotated. This is a weird looking similar triangle, but you need to understand that the smaller triangle is similar to the larger triangle. So this triangle here, which has these angles, is similar to the larger triangle, which has the same angles. All right, now what we're going to focus on in this video is the enlargement or the reduction of each other. So when two triangles are similar, one is an enlarged version or a reduced version of the other. Now, enlarge means to get bigger and reduce means to get smaller. All right, so let's have a look at this triangle, or these two triangles below. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Now, triangle DEF is an enlarged version of triangle ABC. So if we wanted to enlarge triangle ABC to get triangle DEF, notice the first thing, the hypotenuse, or this long diagonal side on the ABC triangle is 10, but it's now increased to 30 on triangle DEF, on the enlarged triangle, and 10 times 3 gives 30. This right-hand side, BC, was 6, and now after the enlargement it's gone to EF, which is now 18, and 6 times 3 is 18. And finally, this side AB, the base, was 8 and is now enlarged to 24, which is DE, and 8 times 3 is 24. So after working that out, we know that we have what we call a scale factor of 3. The scale factor is what we multiply the size of one thing to get to an enlarged or reduced version of the other. Now, a scale factor of 3 means it's 3 times bigger. A scale factor of 5 means it's 5 times bigger. A scale factor of 1/2 means it's half as big, so everything's reduced by a half. All right, how would you work out a scale factor? Here's how you work out a scale factor. Take the scale factor, take the new length and divide it by the old length. So we could go 30 divided by 10 gives a scale factor of 3. We could have gone 18 divided by 6 gives the same scale factor of 3. Or we could have gone 24 divided by 8 gives 3, which is the scale factor of 3. So take the new length and divide it by the old length. Alright, so let's get into our one and only example for this video. Triangle ABC has been enlarged to create triangle DEF. Calculate the missing lengths. Now we've got one missing side on each triangle. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take two sides that we do know, and we're going to work out the scale factor. So we're going to take these two sides here because we do know them and they are the same side on each triangle, and we're going to work out the scale factor. Take the new length of 9, divide it by the old length of 6, and we get a scale factor of 1.5. So triangle ABC has been enlarged by 1.5 times to get triangle DEF. So the scale factor is 1.5. So now let's work out the length of EF. We just need to multiply 4.8 by 1.5, and that gives us our new length of 7.2. But when we're coming backwards from a large triangle back to a small triangle. To work out the length of AB, we need to divide it by the scale factor to bring it back to a smaller size, which is 5. All right, thank you very much for watching.